If you're moving to Lakewood Ranch or thinking about it, this is one video I want you to watch first. I'm George Latos with Zachos Realty and Design Group. And before real estate, I spent years running an international manufacturing business, negotiating deals across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East, on top of real estate investing, design, and construction. That combination is where my negotiating skills come from. And that's exactly why I do this differently. And here's what that means for you. My first job isn't finding you a house. It's making sure the lifestyle actually works, the community, the commute, and how you spend your weekends, what your day-to-day will actually feel like. Once that fits, there are plenty of homes to look at. But if the lifestyle is wrong, the house doesn't matter. And when you're buying new construction, I'm not just showing you a model home. I'm walking you through the builder's contract, the upgrade pricing, the lot selection, and the incentives, so you know what's actually a good deal and what just looks like one. And if you're relocating to Lakewood Ranch from out of state, I'm not just sending you listings. I'm helping you understand the communities, the CDD, and the HOA fees, the schools and the commute, and which neighborhoods actually fit how you want to live. And if you're buying resale, I'm helping you think past the photos to resale value, to what the next buyer will care about, and whether this home still makes sense 5 or 10 years from now. My job isn't to get you into a house. It's to make sure the house you buy still makes sense for you years from now. And if that's the kind of guidance you're looking for, subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out real, straightforward videos on buying, building, and relocating to Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota, and the Gulf Coast. No fluff, just what you actually need to know. I'm George Latos. Let's help you find the right home the right way.